along with prefectorial together and proudly welcoming our chief guest.
Guest of honor, Dr. Devesh Nigam Garu, Registrar, University of Hyderabad. Professor Sanjay Subhag sir, our school chairman, Anand Reddy Garu, Finance Officer, Tukaram Garu, Controller of Examination, A. Praveen Kumar Garu, Joint Registrar, Projects, PF, Medical, Pension, Mr. Hanuman Rao Garu, University Engineer, students to take their dance. Thank you. शिक्षक के बिना ये दुनिया क्या कुछ भी नहीं बस अंधकार यहाँ शत नमन उन शिक्षकों को जिनके कारण रोशन सारा जहां सबसे पहले समाज के निर्माता अध्यापकों गुरुजनों को प्रणाम करती हूँ.
Good morning to all. With great joy and immense, I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebrations of Annual Day 2024. Today is a big day to think how far flung we have come and how after we have to go. Along with multifaceted struggles and triumphs, there is much to accompany their seats on the dais. I request our teachers, Judith Manjula ma'am, Rebecca ma'am, Shanti Shri ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, Manjula ma'am, Parshuram sir, Mangeshkar sir, K. Manjula ma'am, and Hussain sir to please accompany them.
Accepting our invitation for becoming the chief guest of this occasion today. It's really an honor to have sir today as the chief guest of. I profusely take an opportunity to introduce our guest of honor of the day, Dr. to come and give bouquet to our co-chairman, Professor.
साथ ही हमारे मध्य हमारे विश्वविद्यालयों के छात्रों के अभिभावक भी उपस्थित हैं. मैं हृदय की गहराइयों से अपने समस्त विश्वविद्यालय परिसर की like every other auspicious by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati and conduct our customary lamplight the embodiment of knowledge. For this, I will request our honored chief guest, Chairman sir, Co-Chairman sir, Registrar sir, Principal sir, and other dignitaries to come up to the stage to light the lamp, and our teachers will escort them. Let us all rise as we begin the lightning of lamp, accompanied by a beautiful rendition on Deep Jyoti. In this light line, we thank God, Goddess of knowledge, for blessing us. We hope He blesses us and more success in school and further in life. Today is 14th November of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who loved children deeply. He believed that children are the future of the nation and nurturing them is of utmost importance. His dedication to the children of our nation.
School alumni to please take over the seat in the first row. Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Hyderabad, doesn't need any formal introduction as he is a well-known and distinguished figure. The man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience and inspiration to all of us. Let us express our deepest gratitude by felicitating Sir. I request
On the dais,
Sanjay Subodh sir and co-chairman Professor Brahmanandam garu to felicitate Vice Chancellor Honorable B.J. Rao garu. Thank you, sir. Along with him, the guest of honor, Dr. Devesh Nigam, Registrar, University. से जैसे एक सुंदर गुलदस्ता तैयार किया जाता है, उसी प्रकार विद्यालय का वार्षिक आंकलन उसकी वार्षिक रिपोर्ट से होता है.
for the better tomorrow. So it's time to confer our annual accomplishments and small big victories. I would like to call upon to present the annual report of the school.
Our co-chairman Professor Brahmanandam garu to felicitate Professor Sanjay Subodh sir. Thank you, sir.
It is my pleasure to welcome the day celebration of UH Campus School, the much awaited event, and we are honored by the presence of our esteemed chief guest, Sri Professor B.J. Rao garu, Vice Chancellor, University of Hyderabad. Sir, thank you for your kindly consenting and joining us today. In spite of your busy schedule, and we are grateful to you for your unstinted support. Thank you, sir. We are grateful to our chairman, Professor Sanjay Subodh garu, co-chairman, Professor Brahmanandam Manavati garu, whose contribution and guidance to our school has been invaluable. Thank you, sirs, for being with us on this special day. I also take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Devesh Nigam, Registrar garu, for taking the time to be with us on this special day. Thank you, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to our distinguished faculty of University of Hyderabad, honorable guests, respected parents, our alumni, devoted teachers, and my dear students. Thank you all for choosing to be here. Has traditionally been signified as a day when post-scholastic activities take precedence over academics. It is also the day when we take stock of the year gone by, reviewing the achievements and innovations. Our school annual day celebrations coincide with Children's Day, which is observed today. On this occasion, I wish all the children a very happy Children's Day. Present annual report of the academic year 23-24. In the academic year 23-24, the school was upgraded to class 7. The academic year was punctuated by and regular parent-teacher meetings were held throughout the year. equipped with smart interactive boards. The installation and use of these smart interactive boards are helping students learn through interactive resources and flexible access to the content, fostering greater engagement and understanding. Additionally, they enable personalized learning, allowing students to progress at their own pace. On 14 July 2023, we celebrated School Foundation Day. Chairman SMC invested the prefects. Principal administered the oath to the prefects. During the investiture ceremony, Professor Sanjay Subal, Chairman SMC, and Professor Ramanandan Garu, Co-Chairman, presented the badges to the newly elected bodies of the School Prefectorial Board. Conducted vision screening camp for our children with the help of School of Medical Sciences, University of Hyderabad. The school has set up well-equipped science laboratories that provide students with hands-on learning experiences in various scientific fields. The school has well-stocked library with a wide range of books and resources, promoting a culture of reading and academic growth among the students. Students from all grades enjoyed excursion to local attractions such as Zoo Park, NTR Gardens, and Ramoji Film City, allowing them to connect classroom experience with real-world learning. A mini trade fair was organized on 20th January, showcasing student-made craft items and games. The mini trade fair was blend of fun and learning, as the students could get an insight into not only trading but varied other subjects. Students celebrated National Handloom Day by showcasing various handlooms. Our Eco Garden project saw enthusiastic participation from both students and parents. The Silver Zone Olympiad exam conducted in the month of November saw wide student participation, fostering a competitive spirit and bagged several medals. As a part of Vigyan Utsav, hosted by School of Life Sciences in collaboration with CIS at University of Hyderabad, Special Appreciation Award was bagged by class grade 7th student in elocution competition. Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, also known as National Youth Day, was celebrated with great enthusiasm by the students of University of Hyderabad Campus School. On January 12, 2024, a range of cultural activities highlighted Swami Vivekananda's teaching and emphasized the role of youth in shaping nature's future. Christmas, Sankranti, and all national festivals were observed, reinforcing cultural values and the community spirit among students. Our students excelled in various sports and co-curricular activities. Few students were selected for district level yoga competition as well. Mathematics Day was celebrated and few students were sent to participate in district level competitions on National Science Day as well. To support slow learners, slow achievers, remedial classes were held after school hours, providing additional academic assistance to the students. As a part of Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign by the Ministry of Education, students brought a small amount of soil and rice from their homes, which was collected into two separate Amrit Kalash at our school campus. An Amrit Kalash Yatra was organized within the campus, and students planted saplings of indigenous plants to establish Amrit Vatikas. Teachers from the school attended a one-day training session conducted by CBSE on 19th August 2023 at the Air Force School in Bihar, Karnataka. CBSE inspection took place for renewal of school affiliation. The following CCA activities were conducted like poetry, collage making, recitation, painting, drawing, essay writing, quiz, elocution, declamation, clay modeling, best of best, paper crafts, group activities on 1st April, beginning of the new academic year, following the tradition of progressive growth since 2017. I thank all the teachers and parents for their coordinated efforts in making the teaching learning process smooth and effective. Our school's progress, as reflected in this report, is a testament to everyone's hard work and commitment. To close, I leave with this thought. Do not tell us the sky is the limit when there are footsteps on the moon. Do not tell us the sky is the limit when there are footsteps on the moon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, long live campus school.
Thank you, sir. Can we have a big round of applause for ourselves? Thank you, each and everyone. Here at University of Hyderabad,
Principal Madam, KV University of Hyderabad, Mrs. Sarita Punia, and Lieutenant Colonel Hanmantrao Garu, proud alumni of University of Hyderabad Campus School and University
but also our creative tendencies and cultivated into some. It brings the wide-ranging expansion in students' capabilities and deposition, thereby increasing their chances of sustaining in the ever-fierce practical world. There are some out-of-sight support, which although not otherwise visible, but they play a major role in the organizational support. They are our backbone, our pillar of support. I would like to thank also a special thank to our alumni also.
We express our wholehearted gratitude to our President, alumni, Mr. K. Chandrakiran, and the others. We request them to come onto the dais. We are very proud to announce the prizes sponsored by our Alumni Association.
Call upon. Sir, and Hanmantrao sir.
To assist for the prize distribution, K. Manjula, Bhagyalakshmi, Mrs. Bhagyalakshmi, Sri Mrs.
Now, based on student achievements in different fields, with academics, other curricular activities including discipline, the following students are announced as the best performance from class 3 to 5. I call upon Advait Srijit Nayak of 4th A, class 4th A. He bagged the first.
Request Mr. Nakil, Uday Balaji, Grace, and Kranti Kiran to please come onto the dais. They are the alumni of our school.
T. Jivitesh, class 4th C. Come on to the dais. Now for classes 6th and 7th. In position in overall achievers list. G. Jivitesh, class 4th C. From classes 6th and 8th, I call upon Moksha, class 7th B. Moksha, class 7th B. Please come up to the dais. She's first in the overall achievers list. Moksha, class 7th. First in the list. Sheikh, Class 6C. Tanmay Abhishek, Class 6C. We are very proudly to announce that these prizes are sponsored by our school alumni. Can we have a big round of applause? Congrats. Congrats.
To celebrate the achievers in different co-curricular activities. I
Good morning, one and all. This is Aisha Siddiqa with my colleague C.S. Vilak. Pleasure to welcome you to our annual CCA prize distribution ceremony. Education is not limited to the classroom. Co-curricular activities, CCA plays a vital role in shaping all-round individual and nurturing essential life skills like teamwork, creativity, and resilience. This aligns with CBS's vision of holistic development as outlined in the NEP 2020, where students are encouraged to grow not only academically but also personally and socially. Sir N. Robinson once said, and I quote, "Education is not just about feeding the brain, it is also about nurturing the heart and soul." In the academic year 2023-24, we had incredible lineup of CCA events, from calligraphy that showcased the beauty of penmanship to declamation, where our students delivered powerful speeches with confidence. Rangoli competitions added vibrant colors to our campus, while quiz, elocution, art, music, dance performances, and sports activities fostered teamwork and creativity. Each activity brought us the best in our students and helped us to discover new talents. I am reminded each day of the powerful word shared by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor B.J. Rao Garu, during the inauguration of our 21 days in service training program on September 14, 2021. Sir emphasized that real education goes beyond the classroom. Teachers should be passionate about the teaching and foster aesthetic value and spirit of inquiry among the students. A good teacher is a great thinker and must reach every child. Sir, we assure at Campus School we have embraced this message and wholeheartedly and strive to live by it in everything we do. We are committed to give our best to our students, just as you inspire us. Now, let us move on the exciting part of today's events, the winner of CCA activities. Firstly, let's congratulate our runner-up house for the academic year 2023-24 CCA competitions. Please join me in a round of applause for runner-up house, Rabindranath Tagore House. I request the Captain Y. Himani and Vice Captain N. Sai Anike, House Masters and Co-House Master here to come on the stage. I request Professor B.J. Rao Garu to give away the CCL runner-up trophy. huge round of applause. House and Abdul Kalam House, your efforts are very impressive. Keep pushing forward. Next year will be your time to shine. Congratulations once again to both houses and all the participants for their outstanding performances and spirit throughout the year. Now, as I conclude, let me share few lines from the bottom of my heart. हम अपने स्कूल पर गर्व महसूस करते हैं. हम अपने स्कूल पर गर्व महसूस करते हैं. उसकी हर कमी को अपने हौसले से दूर करते हैं. दरियाओं दायरे में सिमट कर आया है. दायरे में सिमट कर आया है. हर रिवायत से हटकर आया है. आंधियों को जरा खबर कर दो. कैंपस स्कूल शेर बन के पलट कर आया है. थैंक यू.
I congratulate all the prize winners. We hope winning becomes a consistent habit for you all. Have a great future ahead and make us proud. Now, I would like to invite Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to inspire our children with his motivational thoughts and creative vision about the future.
And also Badhai for your annual day celebrations. Badhai also for Chacha Nehru Jayanti. I want to congratulate all the campus school students who are present here. And their proud parents and their very, very proud teachers and my colleagues who represent University of Hyderabad, who look after the campus school. Campus school is a very special entity for University of Hyderabad. It's our own baby. And the campus school is flourishing with about 39 or so faculty members, teachers, and over 6. And it is a very, very proud component of University of Hyderabad. And we will ensure that the campus school gets nurtured very well and the students get good education and also achieve high points by winning awards like they did just now. Now, having a campus school in a university is a very, very special linkage. This doesn't happen in many universities. This is a very unique situation where University of Hyderabad faculty members essentially handhold the school in all its activities. This bonding is very rich, and therefore we believe that the school has very bright future because of this bonding. All my school children are going through a festive day today. I can see it. It's like a festival. And it's a real celebration. This is celebration of Chacha Nehru birthday. This is also celebration of India. Chacha Nehru was our first Prime Minister, the jewel in the crown. He guided us as first Prime Minister in very, very difficult times. It is important for all of us to remember him. And therefore, the children who are celebrating his birthday are the real legacy bearers of Chacha Nehru's heritage. Now, you have a lot of program today. I have seen the schedule. I do not want to come in the way of your festival. I just want to make 2 points. That you are all getting educated in our campus school. But please realize, children, please realize, you are getting educated in the University of Hyderabad. And your strength will be the strength of University of Hyderabad. We will ensure that you will succeed very well, not only in the classroom, but also outside the classroom. And I assure the parents that the children and good habits and hopefully good infrastructure. I would only request the parents of the campus school children to ensure that even outside the school, at home, they follow discipline, they value the true meaning of education, and I want the parents to spend some quality time with their children, emphasizing the importance of education. National education policy now, lots of other important aspects of education related to deep learning, related to experiential learning, related to games, related to skills, technology, etc., etc. We want the children to develop in an all-rounded manner. We want the children to develop as responsible citizens of this country, and I am very, very hopeful that campus school will contribute very significantly in this mission mode. I do not want to give a long speech. All children are waiting for their own events to happen here. I want to congratulate them once again to be doing extremely well in the school and also to excel in other activities related to the school and outside. We are doing this celebration after a long gap, I believe. But I think from now onwards we'll be very regular on it. We are back on the track.
Thanks a lot for your guidance, motivational and valuable thoughts, sir. धन्यवाद सर, आपने इस समारोह को सकारात्मक और ऊर्जा से भर दिया है। हमें यह गर्व है कि हम एक दूसरे के साथ हैं और हम सभी को मिलकर सफलता की ओर बढ़ना है। Now, I request our teachers, Srinivas Rao sir and Vasudevan sir, escort dignitaries, make the way down and fill the seats in front to have a great view of our cultural program.
आज का दिन एक खूबसूरत अंदाज में ताल से ताल मिलाते हुए पेश है हमारा पहला नृत्य आपके सामने।
चतुर्भुजं विघ्नोपशान्तये अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमघर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपात्महे।
dance party it is. So ladies and gentlemen,
शगों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं,
दीवाने किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
बगियों में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है वो रहा गुफ्तगू।
आई 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 सुबी पंपारा, सुबी परंपा।
Subi-dubi nache, क्यों पागल सुबह
Subi-dubi pampara, subi-dubi paramba. Subi-dubi nache,
क्यों पागल सुबह
ఎల్లో లైట్ ఏమన్నా